Good morning, guys and girls. Welcome to writing lesson number 3. Okay, today we're going to be looking at similes and metaphors to start your sentence. Okay, similes and metaphors are basically comparisons between two things. Okay, similes use the words like and as. So, for example, life is like a box of chocolates. Okay. Life is like a box of chocolates. I've used the word like, and I'm comparing life to a box of chocolates. Okay. Writers can use these techniques, so like similes and metaphors, that are exaggerations. Okay. Life is not actually like a box of chocolates. Okay. But you can use that in your writing to maybe go on and expand and elaborate. So life is like a box of chocolates. It's just full of surprises. Okay, and then you can go on to talk about some of those surprises. Another simile, so that one used like, so I can say Usain Bolt is as fast as lightning. So my comparison is the speed of Usain Bolt, and I'm comparing that, the speed of Usain Bolt, to the speed of lightning. Okay, again, an exaggeration. Usain Bolt isn't actually as fast as lightning because he ran 100 meters in about 9.58 seconds. Whereas if he was really as fast as lightning, he would have ran it in like less than a second. Okay? So the exaggerations, metaphors are the same thing, but you do not use like or as. Okay, so for example, you could say Cristiano Ronaldo or LeBron James is a goal machine. I know you technically don't use goals in basketball, so you could even change that to, I don't know, anything that's suitable. Okay. LeBron James is a goal machine. Okay, he's not actually a machine. He's not made of metal. He's not made of electricity. He is just so good at scoring goals that you can just call him a goal machine. Every time he gets the ball, boom, it's in. Alright? So you can use your metaphor to describe him. People use these every day when you're talking to your mates, you're talking to people in work, things like that. They get used all the time. Okay? And writers use them to exaggerate things and to enhance a reader's experience of what they are reading about. Okay? So if you look at your document, task number 1, you're copying these into your books. If you want to copy these into your books, be my guest. If you want to just do them on a computer, that's fine. Okay? So what you're doing is you are reading out the sentence or the simile or the metaphor, and then you're just writing down which one it is. Okay? The clouds were fluffy like cotton wool. Okay? That's a simile because it uses the word like. Arnie was a man mountain. It doesn't use like and it doesn't use as, so it's a metaphor. Right? So after that, you're just writing down whether it is a metaphor or a simile. As slippery as an eel. It's got the word as in it, so we all know that is a simile. Okay, so you would just write down after it, simile. And if you can pop it in green, that would be great. Okay. Moving on, I'm going to go through this quite quickly because Loom has not been working too great for me. Okay. Task number 2, you are going to make up similes of your own by copying and finishing these sentences. For example, as good as gold. Okay, you could put as heavy as stone. Spell that wrong. As heavy as stone. Okay, dead simple. Work your way through them. The next one. Now you're going to make up similes, metaphors of your own and add another part to the sentence. Alright, so for example, you've got as heavy as stone. That's your simile. That's the beginning of the sentence. As heavy as stone, the ship sank to the bottom of the deep, dark blue sea. Okay, so next, you're going to be as cold as ice. as cold as ice, stone cold, walked into the wrestling ring to face his opponent. Something like that. Okay? Use your imagination, get creative, and yep, I will be. Sorry, any questions, let me know, and I'll see you on the next one.